How to create a scene in the Deako app. Scenes in the Deako app make it super easy to control multiple lights at once. With just one tap or a quick 2-second press on a switch, you can turn lights on, off, or even set the perfect dim level. Let's make one together. Step 1. Start a new scene. First, open the Deako app. On your home screen, tap the little plus icon up in the corner. Choose Add a Scene. Step 2. Assign a name and icon to the scene. Now give your scene a name. I'm calling mine Good Night. Once you've got that, pick an icon you like. It'll show up next to the name on your home screen, so choose something that fits the vibe. Step 3. Choose Devices and Actions. Next, let's decide which lights are part of this scene and what each one should do. For me, that's my front porch, living room, and hallway sconces. When I run my Good Night scene, I want the porch light to turn on and the hallway and living room lights to turn off. And I'll set the living room lights to 25% brightness, so if I turn them back on later, it's nice and soft instead of blinding. Step 4. Add a switch shortcut. Here's a cool bonus. You can trigger your scene right from a switch. I'm linking mine to my hallway sconces switch. So now, when I press and hold it for 2 seconds, my Good Night scene runs automatically. Perfect for when I'm heading to bed and don't want to grab my phone. Step 5. Review and save. Alright, let's take a quick look at what we just built. When I run this scene, the porch light turns on, the hallway sconces turn off, and my living room lights not only turn off but also drop to 25% brightness for later. And since I linked it to my hallway switch, I can trigger the whole thing with just a long press. Looks perfect, so let's hit save. And that's it. You've just created a scene. With one tap or a quick long press, you can set the perfect mood, routine, or bedtime setup in seconds. Try creating a few of your own and see how much easier it makes running your home. Need more help? Visit support.deako.com.